out my Woody Allen impression.
So many rice crackers claim to be low-cal, but only Fujikawa rice crackers make your interiors go bananas.
Hey, that really sucked!
I'm the worst worker in the world, but it doesn't matter because I'm Homer Simpson!
At last, an excuse to wear makeup.
He's a box! My boy's a box!
Kill me.
Oh, yeah. Shake it, madam. Capital knockers.
You stupid monkey!
Oh, shut up.
Oh, by the way, it is your new issue of Gigantic Asses.
Moe's Tavern, Moe speaking.
This is the hardest thing I've ever had to say. You're not ugly.